Welcome to Cooking with Tara. Today I'm going to show you how to make a starter for sourdough bread. Some people think that it's not very easy to do, but actually it is, and I'm going to show you how. Okay, so on the first day we're going to do half flour and half water. We're going to mix it up into the mason jar. First you're going to want to get whole wheat flour, not bleached flour. There's more nutrients in whole wheat. Also you want distilled water. Okay, here's your whole wheat flour. It's 1 cup of whole wheat flour in a large, wide mouth mason jar. It's kind of messy. 1 cup of distilled water. Add that. And I just use the other side of the wooden spoon to stir it. And you want to mix it real good. You don't want any lumps. And just scrape down the sides. And that's all there is to it. Okay, now that you have it all scraped down on the bottom, after loosely placing the lid on so it's not airtight, you're just going to put it away for 24 hours. Okay, so once you have your jar filled, tomorrow I'm going to check back with you and we're going to take half of this out and discard it, throw it away. Too much yeast, it will just explode. So we're going to feed it every day for 7 days. So stay tuned.